It's like carrying groceries in a way. Gotta get it one load. Oh, more repeat. This is gonna be a challenge because I really need both my hands. I tell you what, nice little hike. I'm glad it's not too much further because I probably wouldn't make it. Oh, it's a hot one. Here we go, buddy. Okay. It's a little hike to a car. I think I'm gonna take one more trip. Oh shoot, I went off road. Big mistake. Big mistake. Big mistake. Oh no! Big mistake. This went terribly south. Oh shoot. Note to self there, don't try to take a shortcut. Did not work out from here anymore. Okay, what's the temperature today? It's hot. This open meadows over here, whatever the heck that is, to be that. Just a constant fresh air of what? But it's actually what? It's always got the heat on schedule. Tomorrow, take down, but back up.